Alright, on this cook we're doing spatchcock chicken. We're running about 275, and I just keep it at 275. I got the probe in there, and I cooked it for about 45 minutes, skin side up, until the temperature reached about 150 degrees, and then I flipped it over so I could crisp up their skin. And then once it reaches about 162 or so, I'll put a small glaze of barbecue sauce on it. Spatchcock chicken is going to be super juicy. It's probably the juiciest way to cook chicken on a grill, especially on a smoker. Okay, while I have some downtime here, here's the rubs we're using. It's actually Kirkland Sweet Mesquite Seasoning, Kickin' Chicken by Rubber. And this guy here, which is called Chef Blend Spices Smokehouse Barbecue Rub. These guys are pretty good. I've got the Chipotle ones and other ones. It's pretty good. I guess the shop out of Chicago. So, okay, I flipped it over and to see how it's done, and you can see that it's crisping up fine. The sauce we're going to use will be the Sweet Baby Ray's Honey Chipotle. Well, that sounds real good. Just a rule of thought: you should get one of these rubber gloves. They make picking up and turning over chicken very handy compared to a spatula. I can see this thing is just about done. Things are starting to just fall off the bone here. So let me get this sauce on it, and then we'll bring it in, let it sit for a while, and then I'll make up probably some fried rice to go along with this thing here. So let's just get a squirt on here. Looks like I'm cooking today by myself, but we'll just get a nice little glaze on here. You don't have to overdo it. You got a lot of spicing on here. You want to have a taste of it. A little more on this side. These silicone brushes are pretty nice too. Just mop it on. Okay, we'll let this sit for a couple of minutes. What I'll do is I'll probably just shut down the grill here. All you do is just turn it off. We'll just start closing down the grill. While that's closing down, then I'll start the rice up. I'll bring this in and let it sit for a while. And then we'll cut up and see what it looks like. Well, I took it off the grill. Chicken's in the house now, so we're going to see what it looks like. Well, it looks real good there, doesn't it? I'm going to let it sit for about 15-20 minutes while I fry up the rice, and we'll plate it and see what it looks like. Okay, here's a spatchcock chicken, and we're going to cut it now for the first time. It's been sitting for about 15-20 minutes, so we'll just cut it down the middle here. I don't know. Can you see the juice? That's how juicy this thing is. And this is a breast. Look how juicy that thing is. And well, we'll just cut it in half. So I'm gonna have a chicken here, and then cut off the ring. Okay, and let's just take a slice of chicken here and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, you can see how juicy it is. It's just puckering up. This is about a 4-pound chicken. The noise you hear in the background is the dog. He's just waiting for this chicken. Okay. I'm used to cooking this is the first time on the Masterbuilt grill. I'm used to cooking this type of chicken on the big green egg. So right now, this is the chicken. It's nice and juicy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plate it with some fried rice. So make some fried rice here, and I'll just be back in a second. And this is what it looks like. It's going to be a nice, good meal. So chicken came out fine. I mean, basically, I just left it at 275 and I didn't worry about it. Just let the Masterbuilt do its own thing. And it's going to be a good chicken. Thank you for watching.